Sorry about that. I must have bumped my camera. I was saying you always want to take plenty of pictures. That way you know how to put the clock back together. I do have another Schatz cuckoo clock identical to this in another clock in case I do get stuck. I could figure out how to put it back together. But we should be okay. With this clock. I'm going to take the bird off. I'm not going to disassemble any more of this. I'm going to take the bird off because I don't want to get him wet when I put him in my ultrasonic cleaner. And I want to take some toothpicks and clean out the holes. Because you've heard me say this time and time again. An ultrasonic cleaner is like a dishwasher. You want to clean your dishes prior to put them in the dishwasher, or the dishes won't get that clean. You want to pre-wash your dishes. You want to do the same thing with these movements. You want to pre-wash them prior to putting them in the ultrasonic cleaner. It'll save on changing out your fluids, and B, the ultrasonic cleaner does a good job, but it can't get into every nick and hard spot, and so you want to do it for it. Using a toothpick and rubbing it against the metal, I'm able to get a lot of the dirt off. As you can see, this toothpick is getting dirty. I think it's pretty cool how they use a bird as part of their plate. And here again is the head, the eye of the bird, and here's the tail of the bird. I think it's pretty cool, but that identifies a Schatz cuckoo clock. I believe they are the only company that ever did that. Philip Hass uses a running rabbit on their movements. Schatz uses a bird to identify their cuckoo movements. So anyway, it's about time for the ultrasonic cleaner, and clean it up and get back to you. I hope you guys are enjoying my videos. If you do, don't forget to hit the subscribe and like buttons. It only takes a few minutes to subscribe. That's the enjoyment I get of making these videos is knowing the members that are subscribed to my YouTube channels. So please take the time and subscribe to my YouTube channels. So we'll get back to you.